We begin with expressions of concern from the private sector organization of Jamaica, PSOJ, about what it calls the increase in crime, particularly murders, in recent months.
PSOJ President Howard Mitchell, who is speaking to TVJ News today, said the association is also concerned about the inability to address crime and indiscipline in the country. TVJ's Vashon Brown has more.
More than 1,500 people have been killed so far this year. The highest murders have been in Jamaica since 2009. This fact a concern for the private sector organization of Jamaica, PSOJ. In a release on Thursday, the PSOJ said it's concerned that there does not seem to be any reassurance about what is being done to address the problem of increased murders and indiscipline in the society. The PSOJ president, Howard Mitchell, says the organization is concerned that the inability to manage the crime wave could cause a reversal or at best limitation of the growth and increased confidence that its members have been seeing in the economy.
What the PSOJ is calling on is leadership, not only from the government, from the state, but from all of the elements that control the direction of our society, the leader of the opposition, right, the leader of the churches, the leaders of the churches, to come together to forge a national approach to the management of our system of law and order and of crime.
Jamaicans have also been complaining about the lack of a crime plan. For the PSOJ, a plan was promised, so it should be delivered.
We understand that there are details of the plan that cannot be released to the public, but we certainly feel that in order to give us confidence, which is the problem, the public over the years have developed a lack of confidence that anything is being done, and we think the release of the crime plan in broad, general terms even, would go a far way to assuring the public that something is being done about the management of the runaway indiscipline and the increase in murder and vicious crimes.
In the meantime, the president of the Jamaica Manufacturers Association, JMA Metrosiaga, says the hope is for a crime-free Christmas.
Let us remember that we're all Jamaicans and we need to live here. I think that the problem of crime is multifaceted, and it's bigger than everybody to date so far. We need a different approach, and hopefully the JMA, the JEA, the Chamber and the PSOJ are coming together early we've started the ball rolling, and early in the new year we expect to come to the government, to the opposition and to the public with something that we feel will go a far way to stemming this monster.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.